Firearms Act, for instance. It's an ancient law. What is the National Assembly? What are they doing about the Firearms Act? It's an ancient law. It's a very important law. I recommend that every community should have AK-47. Every school, every street should have AK-47. Every church, every mosque should have AK, because what we're talking about, the only antidote to this unlawful violence by these state non-state actors is proportional use of force. We need balance of violence. You don't expect me now to have shakabula or pump action to defend myself against somebody who has an AK-47. It is not proportional. The law, the criminal code and penal code and the constitution has made it clear. If I kill you in the process of defending myself, I have not committed murder. So let us exploit this thing, and I'm asking the court to compel the president to give me my AK-47. And I'm also asking the court to compel the governors to apply properly for AK-47 to defend the rights and properties of Nigeria, their right to dignity of human person, liberty. If you are kidnapped, you'll be so debased and so dehumanized. Your liberty, your liberty will be taken away. Your dignity of person will be taken away. And these are the things we are saying. The matter is coming up today. It's been filed over a year. Some of the states, other states of the federation, have brought their defense, and we are in the process to be.